Hello, gaming fans, to another World of Serenity Developer Vlog. Man, it's been a while since I did the last one of these, isn't it? And there's a very good reason for that. I didn't want to post an update that didn't really have any content that was really releasable to the public. Now, that's still kind of sort of true. I don't really have any content that I'm ready to release. I'm not ready to release the next build. However, I did want to give an update so people would understand what the status of things are. And the status of things is actually pretty good, which is why I am doing this. As you can see, the current build-up is a little bit different than the previous ones. As you can see, there's no default picture in the center here. And as you can see, there's a little bit difference on the character menu. We do have an official logo now. Just a Game, World of Serenity, Age of Reconstruction. And of course, the same functionality that was there before is here now. If I type in a name here, I can change my character's name. As you can see, I have removed some of the extraneous text that was down here. And of course, I've resorted the races into normal, modifier, hybrid, animal, and of course there's the class category. We have the stat roller here. And the stat roller, as you can see, now it doesn't just show you your base stats, but it shows them how they've been modified by, all the various modifiers. If you see the yellow text, that means you've hit the maximum, the golden 18, and there is a statistical chance if you roll it enough times to get perfect 18. But the statistically low chance, so that should prevent abuse. There it goes, I just passed through it. Of course, we've got the race and gender swapping system here. As you can see, we've got new artwork in. I've actually got an artist now who is going to be doing all the art for all of the races and the classes and all that. We've got high elves, we've got full elves, we've got wood elves. This is the main reason why I haven't released this, is that I want to get all of this race information into the system, all the artwork done, all the databases updated. And of course, once you've selected your race, I'm just going to go with a simple 1-1 setup. This button lights up, allowing you to go to the next section. The next section has to do with setting the quirks of your character, little positive and negative effects. For those of you who've played like the tabletop games from WoS Studios, you would understand it. You get the idea, it's merits and flaws, but it's a little bit more complex than that. Obviously, there isn't too much look at it here because there's still a lot of artwork to get done for the previous section. And obviously there needs to be more work done. That all said, the game is coming along, and I did want to give an update. And in more positive news, I've actually been contacted. I got a return contact from Nintendo of America. Yes, that Nintendo of America. And so I am now officially a third-party developer for Nintendo. I've also been contacted back by Microsoft, who are also accepted my proposal, so yes, the game will also be developed for the Xbox systems. I haven't heard anything from Sony yet. So right now the game is up on Steam for PC and Mac. It will be also developed for Wii U. It will also be developed for Xbox systems. And I will be producing a trailer in the next few days, giving an idea of what the world setting is. And then I'll be opening up an Indiegogo campaign so I can raise some money to pull in more people to get this developed faster. Because right now, a single developer, and granted, one 2D artist is better than just a single developer and no artist. Still, I'd like to pull in a second developer. I'd like to pull in a 3D artist, because obviously there's going to be a 3D part of this. Right now, all we're dealing with is portraits and essentially concept art. And I'd like to pull in, a musician, someone to do a soundtrack for it. But to do that, I need to raise some money. I also need to be able to raise money to get the Wii U developer kit. And yes, I am an official Nintendo developer, but since I am under an NDA, I really can't show you too much of that fun stuff. The best I could probably show would be that. I've got access to the Wii U Developers Framework. And that's about all I can show you. So, I hope this video gave you an idea of what is coming with the World of Serenity. And I hope you guys are interested and will want to see more. Peace out.